probably to, before any money's transferred to hands, do your research to see if you can purchase the house legally, and if so, then we'll proceed forward with the closing. And if
the guy's telling. That's why I told you to go down and get that paperwork to say that they had a lien on the house, because then we have the proof. Because he's saying it's going to take 7 business days. So that means all of this week.
Who said that?
That guy Lopez. So wait, today is okay.
Today's Tuesday. Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday.
So you're about in there.
And it's not even guaranteed because remember, next weekend is the beginning of 4th of July weekend. 4th of July is Saturday.
So it's not even guaranteed that he's gonna. But no, I'm saying get it done this week, because then.
Oh no, I'll get my end done. I'll get my end done tomorrow if I have to, depending on how high it is.
I did a good job. All I did was went evenly on the back of the neck.
Yeah, it's because I fucked up the sides. Because I used the earpieces and I didn't know they went that far down.
Oh, I didn't fuck it up, so as long as I'm just talking about my part.
Good Lord.
Okay, girl. Oh, you're alright, Pop. You're safe.
Oh, I just bought it too.